Hey, how are you? Let's go. If you remember in the previous class, we analyze the parts and we find this box that has the orders, and now we see here we have the FTR with the fake code pattern, this one that consume the orders of it. So now this box is important for us, and we must find the MPL of it. And for find the MPL again, let's go to higher time frame. Here, for find the MPL king, we say that in this one we find the king that hold the price down, then we have a swap, and then we have the red box that be the swap of the white, and we say this red is MPL king if it has the retrace to the true place. What's this true place? I explain. Okay, let's go. Now we want find the MPL king of it. Okay, at first here we must find the king that hold the price down. I see it at here. Okay, for RS flag limits we use the support resistance, the SR, from the fake code. See here, this low, I go to 1 minute to see you better. This low is engulf. See, this low is engulf, then has the fake codes, then go down. Okay, we don't draw the SR from the engulf, so we don't draw from here, but we see in the lower scale after this engulf the price go up in the lower time frame. This one again be engulf, and then has the fake code, then go up and create the fake code in the higher time frame, and then go down. So in this diagram this one is the fake code. Okay, so I can use from this one, and it's our SR. S and R, I write it as R, and the box, the FTR that create at here is our RS flag limits. This one is our RS flag limits, and it's hold price down very clearly. Okay, then I draw the swap from it. The swap from it is here. I draw this one, and then again I draw the swap from it. and we say that when we find the latest box with this swap, we must check that this one has the true retrace, has the retrace to the true place or not. Okay, how we can find it? Let's go to draw. For example, when we have this one and then we have the swap from it, so here we have the box and then we have the latest swap from it, and we want to check that this one has the retrace to the true place or not. How we can find this true place? We must go to this white box. Again I draw this white measure. Okay, now I want to draw more details of this white. The high is the engulf, then has the fake out and then go up. Yes, this one. And with the more detail, I write it for you. Here we have the engulf. After this engulf, we have the ORFL, or the flag limit that hold the price down. With this one, engulf, then we have the ORFL, or the flag limit that hold the price down to the fake out. So now I must draw this one. This one. It's the ORFL, or the flag limit that hold the price down, and we must draw the swap from it. But in this swap, it wants to create at here. Yes, the swap again has the more details with previous one. Again, engulf, we have the ORFL, or the flag limit that hold the price down, and then we have this one and the price go up. Okay, so from this box we have the swap, and again in this one we have this ORFL, or the flag limit that hold the price down, and again we have the swap. Okay, and then the price creates the fake out and wants to go down. Okay, see, when it wants to go down, create the swap at here, create the swap at here, and create the swap at here. Okay, this one is this red that we draw at the first step. Okay, for the true place for it, we use from this step ORFL, or the flag limit that hold price down, then we have this white, and then we have this white. At the first steps we have this one for the true place. The true place, we say to it decision points or the DP, and this red hasn't the retrace to this one, so we don't trade it. It's the FTR for us. And now this one is the MPL and the DP for us. Again, we must check how it creates from the swap of this white, and into this white we have this one that hold price down, then we have this one, and then we have this one. And this orange is the DP for this red. The red has the retrace to the orange? No. So this one is the decision point for us, and it's fresh. So in the future we trade this orange. It's our MPL king with the drawing swap at the first box that we draw, and it's the decision point. So we draw and trade this one. But if we have this schematic, the red has the retrace at this one, in the future we trade this one. Okay, and again, if we have this retrace, in the future we trade this one. Okay, you must check this one in your chart. So for example, if we have this one, in the future this is our DP. DP means lower time frame flag limit, so it's the flag limit but in the lower time frame. Again, check that at this one, for example, if it doesn't hold the price, okay, it's B, the ignore in the future. Let's go to draw in the another one for you. For example, we have this one. It holds price down, then we have the swap, and again we have this diagram in the lower scale, then again we have this one, and the price go up. So we have this one, then we have this one, then again we have this one, then again we have this one, then again we have this one, and it doesn't hold the price up. And in the future, when the price go down, it be ignore, okay, and then create the swap at here and the swap at here. When it be the ignore, we can extend it to the right, and this box must has the retrace to it, and it must has the retrace to it. Okay, let's go. How we can find the true place and the decision point for this high? We ask that how it creates from this white, and this one is the engulf. After this engulf, we must find the ORFL or the flag limit that hold price down. I draw it. This one is hold price down. Okay. Here. And then we have this one, the swap. This one. And you can see that it's be ignored in the future. The traders think that it's a hold price up, but with the candle that has the momentum, it's be ignored. So we don't draw the swap from it and we extend it to the right. And you can see that this box has the deeper retrace than this one. Okay, so the orders now is here, and we must trade this box or this box because it has the deeper retrace in this red and maybe consume the order of it. How again we can find it? Again we must check the MPL kink of this one. How? We say that when we have the engulf in the lower time frame and lower scale, we has the deeper retrace, then create the fake out and then go down. How we can find the MPL kink? We say that you must draw the line at here and find the kink at here. Okay, so I draw the line and we must check at here the kink. I don't see it, so I must go to the lower time frame I don't see it, but I know that it creates at here, and then we have the king that consumed it. So at first I have this one, but it's great with at here. Here we have the candle has the momentum, so I don't know that this candle how it creates in the lower time frame. I wide this box to the lower shadow of this candle. I don't want to lose this position. Okay, so if we have engulf, then create the fake out, and then we have the candle that has the momentum. We don't draw this one. If here we have the candle that has the momentum, we wide the box at the shadow. This one again, I go to higher time frame, and you can see that it's fresh. It's fresh, and in the future we can trade it. It's our MPL, and we must set the sell limit at here, but set the stop above of it. For example, the stop must be at here. Okay, you don't set the stop at here, you must set the stop loss over of this box. Let's go. I go to 15 minutes. We extend it this one. The price as the retrace. See here, we say that it's the true zone, so it's very easy that here we have the fake zone. Yes, it's the fake zone that most of the traders want. This one, it's the resistance. Yes, but here we have the fresh king, so the market maker want to go up. Here we have the fake zone. Now the price go up and then go down. See, this high, it's right at here. This high is 411, and this high again is 411, and I say to you, your stop must be above of it, so we haven't the stop of this position, and then we have this reward to risk. Yes, it's very nice. Learn it, and in the next part again we practice of it. Be careful and bye.